Alright, this is the Vevor Strut spring compressor. You can see the details. Let's open this up from this side. There you go. I measured that out. That is about 18 inches right there, and it weighs a little over 15 pounds, I believe. It's a pretty hefty fella. I can easily go around it, but it's very greasy on the edges. But I added more grease in there. I don't know what. Got these disc plates right here. It's pretty big. Again, my thumb to pinky span when I do this is about 9 inches. And you can see I'm going a little across there. It's probably like 8.5, maybe a little less than that. Got some components. You got the Allen key for the screws to go through here and through these end points here. You can kind of see it. It's the screws. The hole right there. The hole on this side. You got the slot. That's where they slide into place. Oh, this is the extension for those unusual side. Whoop. This is only good thing this is dummy proof. See, that's where that would go. Extension right there. Fits right there. I happen to have one of our Tesla front springs over here. These are very compressed in. This spring right here. Let's give this a whirl. See which one it would actually fit. Well, I can tell right now it's probably going to be the smallest one. No, wait. I'm assuming. Nope, I am wrong. Doesn't fit that. It needs the medium one. There we go. Yeah, that fits more. You got this little ridge right here. Some people say that's easier to use without this plastic shield on here. But let's just try it without it. Looks like this is the right size. Assuming both these would be right here. Yeah. I'm gonna try this on my little bench over here. Let's see. All right, let's see if I can get this all set up here. So we determine it's the middle ones that fit on this. So I want to try to resolve this. I like this little workbench. You can expand it, spinning it. Black and Deckard. There you go. Get some space here. Hopefully y'all can see that. Yes, you can. Some of this over here. By the way, confirm this is a 22 millimeter or 7/8, whatever. I guess that's what they call it. But I got a 22 millimeter nut right here. It's a 22. Fits like a champ. It's the 22 right here. Hey, fits. No play, pretty tight. I did bring my drill down. They do not recommend using an impact on this thing, but I can see it being useful just for the initial setup. So I'll just see right here. There's no YouTube magic here. This is on the fly. So I want to see how this fits here. And this fits right over here. Okay, I can see how that works right there. So I'm going to go ahead and smash-a-roni. See, I want to do it on the fly. And get my little drill here, make life a little easier. Screw that in. See if I can get that someone in the ballpark here. And then we can just slide this into place. Sure, everyone's got a little different technique here. I'm going to hand screw this in. See if I can. Okay. All right. Yeah. Nice and even. This is good. Real time. You can see I have that in here. Of course, I need to forget the Allen's screws that it comes with. So you can see I'm screwing it in. The Allen screws right here. Oh, for some background, I got rid of the OTS strut. I returned that because it was just too bulky for the lack of me needing it often. So that's why I went with this smaller one by Vevor. I know Vevor makes the same or similar thing like the OTS one. Nothing wrong with them. They work perfectly fine. All right. Yeah. All right, so now I'm not going to use the impact tool for this. I just got it right here. Make sure it's sitting in nice and edge to edge there. As you can see, edge to edge. And then we're just gonna hopefully, right now this is tight as heck. So let's see if I can go ahead on the fly right now and do this. Can we see this? Oh yeah, now you can see it. Okay. this works. Probably they're sitting in the hinge. Yeah, that works pretty good. So that's that. It squeezes it in, and then you can loosen the hat, take the nut off, change the spring, put it all back together. Pretty self-explanatory. And then you just, and then when it's nice and loose, you can take it all apart again. Normally I don't think we would do this on this bench. I'm just doing it for the sake of example here. I would do this on the floor. I'd feel more secure about this. Yeah, this is going to be a pretty easy tool to use. I can tell right now. Yeah, there you go. There you go. And once you're done, you just loosen it from here, from its grips. And then you're nice and tight. You can take the bolts off and everything like that. That's good. And this thing is ready to rock again. All right. Yeah, I think I recommend, of course, now I think about it, because this is the first time I'm using this, I'd recommend probably putting in these Allen screws all the way. Of course, that's what I should have done. And then perhaps screwing this on while it's on here. I can see that to be a little bit easier. Yeah, so it doesn't move like I have it right now. So you can just line it into here and then screw this accordingly. I think you could do it this way or this way, whichever is most convenient, whichever works out the best for your situation. That's what I see it as. In terms of the tool, it's very easy to use. I think I would use this on the floor. Or if someone, of course you had a vise or something, a vise on a bench, this would probably work better to work on this. But yeah, this is a very good tool. Very easy to use right off the bat. Not hard at all. And it's portable, that's the whole thing. This whole thing, this whole little suitcase right here, as you can see, this little suitcase right here, very thin. It's like maybe 4 inches. This thing's probably about, 20 inches across. And yeah, this is good and portable and doesn't take up a ton of space. Like the Vevor one with the pump or OTS's. This I highly recommend. This is very nice. Anyways, I hope that was somewhat informative. Thanks for watching.